Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving deep into the key principles of effective organizational design. Understanding these principles will help you create a structure that enhances efficiency, innovation, and long-term business success. Principle 1. Alignment with business strategy. Organizational design should always align with your company's vision, mission, and strategic goals. A misaligned structure can lead to inefficiency, communication gaps, and slowed decision-making. Principle 2. Clarity in roles and responsibilities. One of the biggest causes of inefficiency in organizations is unclear job roles. Clearly defining responsibilities and reporting structures ensures accountability and smooth workflow. Principle 3. Efficient communication channels. A well-designed organization enables fast, clear, and effective communication. Establishing proper channels for different types of interactions can prevent miscommunication and improve collaboration. Principle 4. Flexibility and adaptability. Modern businesses must be agile. Creating a structure that allows for quick decision-making and adaptation to change is crucial for long-term success. Principle 5. Balance between centralization and decentralization. Some organizations require top-down decision-making, while others benefit from distributed authority. Finding the right balance can improve responsiveness and operational efficiency. Principle 6. Proper decision-making authority. Ensuring that decisions are made at the right level speeds up execution and reduces bottlenecks. Empowering employees with clear guidelines can help drive efficiency. Principle 7. Scalability and growth readiness. A well-designed organization evolves with its growth. Planning ahead for expansion ensures smoother transitions as teams and responsibilities grow. Principle 8. Employee engagement and culture. An organization's structure should support a culture of collaboration and innovation. Engaged employees are more productive and contribute positively to business success. Principle 9. Use of technology and automation. Leveraging modern tools can streamline processes, reduce manual work, and enhance efficiency. Implementing the right technology supports business scalability and competitiveness. Nash Principle 10. Continuous improvement and evolution. Organizational design is not a one-time process. It should be continuously evaluated and improved. Gathering feedback and making necessary adjustments ensures long-term effectiveness. By applying these principles, you can create an organization that is efficient, adaptable, and built for success. In the next lecture, we'll explore the different types of organizational structures and how to choose the right one for your business.